This is for a gentleman in Hawaii. You down, I down, Oahu grown. Hey bro, thanks for giving me that question. His question was, he was having a problem getting the heat sink ring on the cylinder head because of a depressed spark plug. And I want to show you how I do it. I like that name. That's really cool. You down, I down. That's a bitchin' name. But okay, I put it on like this. Remember, I got to do this one-handed, and hopefully it'll work. And then I have to tell a story and keep this thing in focus at the same time, which is not easy. So we get the ring on. Okay, if you can see that. You down, I down. Let's see if I can get a little bit better focus on there. But as long as the ring is touching, and make sure the ring is clean, you can bend it up like that. Okay? Just don't bend it up and down, up and down, up and down, or you'll metal fatigue that ring and it'll break. You can also get replacement rings from, there's some really cool companies that make them. And that's what it looks like. I gotta let this thing focus. This is what it looks like when the temperature ring is on. And the temperature gauge does not use any type of electronics or battery powered electrics or anything. All the gauge does is measure the temperature between this ring on your spark plug and the temperature in the gauge. So if there's a difference, it measures it. So I hope that helps you out on that. You down, I down. Thanks for that's a great question. I just happen to be right here doing this little head work, and I could answer your question. So thank you very much, bro, and God bless all you riders in Hawaii. I'm jealous. I wish I was there. All right. Next thing up is we're going to get these fittings watertight in order to get the hoses on everything. In order to put the bottom fitting on right here, I had to take off the reed cage right there. And then I have to use see if I can get this on here. I know it's backwards, but I got all kinds of shit in my hands and I'm trying to do this and focus at the same time. But what I'll do is I'm going to wrap these in plumber's Teflon. You don't use too much, and you don't want to use a lot of it, because if you do, you can get threads of it inside the head, and you don't want it sucked up in the pump or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the outsides. Okay, that'll be the next video.